Hi everyone, let's make jollof rice using smoked fish. So guys, I'm starting off by washing this fish. This is smoked fish, okay? So I'll go ahead and debone the fish and wash it properly and also cut it into the sizes that I want it to be. So guys, right now I'm done washing the fish and it's time to prepare the pepper that I'll be using. So I'll go ahead and wash the pepper, remove the head. After that, I'll add it into my mortar, add a bit of crayfish and pound them together until it looks like this. Right now it's time to cut my onions. I'll be using this 1.5 bulbs of onions. So after removing the dried backs of the onion, I will go ahead and also slice it like this. So now guys, I'll be washing my rice with hot water. Guys, I have already boiled the water, so this is me adding the hot water into the rice, and because the water is so hot, I'll be using this thing I use in turning gari. I don't know what it's called, but I'll be using it to turn the rice the first time. Then the second time I added cold water and used my hand to properly wash the rice. Right now I'm done washing the rice. Let's start cooking. So I just turned on the gas cooker and placed my pot. Now I'm adding my groundnut oil into it. I've added my onions. I'll stir a little and add my tomato paste. After adding the tomato paste, I'll stir up and add the crayfish and pepper mix. After adding that, I will go ahead and stir it properly, allow it to steam for some time before I go ahead and rinse the mortar and add the water into it. Right now I'm adding all the ingredients that I'll be using to cook: my seasoning cubes, my salt. Now I'm adding the water that will be enough for the rice to cook in. So stir the water all together, add my rice into it. This is me adding the rice. After adding the rice, I'll stir it together and add my smoked fish. So I'm going to be leaving the smoked fish on top of the rice so that they don't scatter. Like if I try to turn it, it's going to scatter into pieces. So my dad bought this pawpaw and asked me to cut it for him. He wants to eat the pawpaw after eating his rice. Okay, so this is me cutting the pawpaw, and this pawpaw is so sweet. Like I had a taste after cutting it. Right now I'm done cutting the pawpaw, and this is the whole pawpaw. My food is ready. The aroma of this food is so nice. So guys, I'll just stir the food all together and dish it out for everyone. So thanks for watching. Bye.